I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Blood Moon shop in Grow a Garden. To begin, you need to understand that the Blood Moon shop is not always available. It only appears during a special event called the Blood Moon, which is a unique version of the regular Nightfall. The Nightfall event happens every hour in the game, so keeping an eye on your in-game clock is a good first step to prepare for this rare occurrence. The Blood Moon event has a 33% chance of occurring each time Nightfall begins. This means it won't happen every single hour, so patience is truly key. When it does activate, the entire sky will dramatically turn a deep red, signaling the exciting start of this special 10-minute event. You will also see a distinct red moon icon appear on your screen, confirming its arrival. Once the Blood Moon event is active, you need to quickly locate the shop before it vanishes. It will magically emerge from the ground to the right of the wise old owl, appearing as a tombstone-like structure with a small red owl perched prominently on top. Remember, this exclusive shop is temporary and will disappear once the 10-minute Blood Moon event concludes, so make your purchases swiftly. The Blood Moon shop features exclusive items such as night eggs, night seed packs, and special seeds not found anywhere else in the game. During this event, your crops have a significantly higher chance of getting the Bloodlet mutation, which boosts their selling price by an impressive 4 times. Be sure to save up your shekels, as many of these unique and powerful items can be very expensive, often costing millions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.